I remember the night that Dan and Liz met, and now here we are.
Elizabeth, as you guys may have heard from last night, for those of you who were with us, loved playing dress up. But one thing was always missing when we were playing dress up. We never had a groom. There was never anyone that could fit that role until now. We're no longer playing dress up. Here we are at the real thing, and she has found the person that she wants to spend the rest of her life with, and that's Dan. Looking in on their relationship, they are best friends, they're companions, and now they're husband and wife. This may not be the wedding that they have originally planned, but with each obstacle that was thrown in their way, and there has been quite a few, they handled it with absolute grace. I went there.
I loved watching their relationship evolve over the years. I mean, just being in their presence for a few minutes, you can see how well they complement each other. Their banter, their inside jokes, quoting movies that I have no idea what they're talking about. They're made for each other.
I honestly don't know who deserves a beautiful day like this more than Dan and Liz. I can't believe this day is actually here, being on this ride with them this whole time. Multiple venue cancellations, date change after date change over this past year, and here we are. Got a beautiful day, and it feels great. It's great to have everybody here. Dan, you may now kiss the bride / my roommate.
Should we do the rings?
Oh, right, the rings, yeah. Oh, shnikes. Hey, guys, if you haven't noticed or anything, I might not be the most versed at this sort of thing, too, so, yes.
You're doing so
You're killing it, man. You're killing it. Where are the rings?
Hayden's got a ring right here. Hayden, the rings. We're shooting from the hip out here. Shooting from the hip.
Bear with us, we'll get there.
Slide it on there.
All right. You want me to say I do or anything? Or?
You're doing good. Do you
Slide
say
it on. I do. Wait, do you say I do?
I do.
Now can we kiss?
This is perfect. This sums up the last year just completely. Now that went so smoothly, Dan, you may kiss the bride / my roommate.
Time stops when we're alone. You got my love, don't let it go. Feels like we're paper thin, one step away from caving in. When you're out where all the wild roams, and you're looking for a way back home, I'll be the light that only you can see. Figure it out. Oh, I'll be here when all gets lost. We can count on hope when there's rivers to cross. Oh, and I know our lives will always change, but our hearts forever stay the same. I'll be here when things go south. We can take our time just to figure it out. Oh,
I know you well enough, Liz, to know that first of all, you look incredible today. I also know that you don't go down without a fight, that you don't give up easily, and that your commitment and your love and your friendship run deep, just like Dan's. And I'm so happy that my best friends found his match. And Dan, I never had the pleasure to meet your sweet mother, Carolyn, but I do know for a fact that should be so proud of who you are today. Not just your many accomplishments, but just the man and brother that you are.
Ed and Diane, thank you for raising an unbelievable woman. It's a great feeling knowing your best friend is marrying someone who's so smart, driven, makes him laugh, and brings the best out of him.
Time stops when we're alone. You got my love, don't let it go. Feels like we're paper thin, one step away from caving in. When you're out where all the wild roams, and you're looking for a way back home, I'll be like that only you can see. You can see. I'll be here when things go south. We can take our time just to figure it out. I'll be here when all gets lost. We can count on hope when there's rivers to cross. And I know our lives will always change, but our hearts forever stay the same. I'll be here when things go south. We can take our time just to figure it out. Time stops when we're alone. You got my love, don't let it go.